Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to prepare for audits by using Icicle. With your company's reputation on the line, preparing for an upcoming audit could be extremely stressful. But as an Icicle user, everything becomes really simple. You don't have to worry about scrambling last minute to gather all the relevant documents or struggle with recall protocols. As a production management system, Icicle helps you save time and give you the confidence you need to deal with unexpected audits. Some users have reported that the duration of their audits shortened by 40%. What that means is a 5-day audit now becomes a 3-day audit. How awesome is that? So let's get to it and let us show you how it's done. Knowing how to present your hard work is just as important as doing it. As an Icicle user, you could easily share all your records and documents with auditors before they even visit your facility. This simplifies the audit a lot, since auditors will have a solid idea of your food safety program and how it runs daily before he or she even visits your facility. So let's look at an example of how this is done. If you want to share your procedures with an auditor, all you have to do is go on the home page here, click on Procedure, and click the one that you wanted to share. For example, the purchasing SOP here. Once you click it, everything should be in there. Your procedure type, code, title, who is responsible for it, who is monitoring it, who has verified it. Everything is literally one click away. From purchasing order, the relevant stuff, all the relevant document, auditors would be able to see it all in one place. One good thing about Icicle is that it allows you to assign user roles to different users. So for example, you could assign the auditor an auditor user role, which he would be able to view all the documents, but he won't be able to change anything. You could easily share your information with an auditor, and he would be able to receive them beforehand. And the more an auditor understands about your facility, the less time he or she will need to spend at your plant. The physical inspection would be much more efficient for both you and the auditor. During an audit, you will be asked to show a lot of documents. Have you ever experienced the desperation of looking for a missing document? You remember checking a couple days ago, but it just vanishes right when the auditor is asking for it. You go through files and folders for hours and hours before finally finding what you're looking for. This is actually quite common among our users prior to the Icicle age. The good news is that Icicle organizes all your records for you in one place. You'll be able to find anything that you're searching for in just a few clicks. Let's take a look at an example. If you click on the inspection list, again in the home page here, you'll see all your files needed for the inspection listed in one place. And from the filter up here, select the item that you're looking for. So this is pretty simple. When finally it's time for an audit, you're looking for something, all you need to do is come in here and find everything you need in here. And just like that, you won't lose your records ever again. During the course of an audit, you will be asked by auditors to perform a mock recall. During a recall, a company needs to know when the recall product were produced, how many were produced and shipped, which shipment contains the products, and who the recipients were. This process would often require cross-department collaboration and could take a lot of time to finally figure things out. By Costco supplier audit standard, recalls must be completed within 2 hours. Icicle actually allows you to do that in just under 5 minutes. Here's how it works. So from the home interface, click on Recalls and select your facility and your template. Since we're performing a mock recall, we'll just select the recall template and select the option Mock. Next, you just type in your problem description and your complaint details, anything that you wanted to set up to demonstrate that you can perform an accurate mock recall. We're just going to use the 10-inch white pita bread as an example. There's also a section where you can assign corrective actions and click create. Now we just have to let it wait. And we're done. Just like that, the recall has been completed. As you can see here, we still have 18,000 outstanding and lot number there as well. Location, we have the 10,000 still in shipped, 8,000 still in storage, and you also have your recipients down here, transaction history here as well. So if you have any question about your recipients or you want to know more about your shipment, it's pretty simple. You just have to click on the reference here. For example, this guy, great customer. Click in here, and there's shipping record details, everything you need, barcode as well. So pretty simple. And that's your recall done in 5 minutes. At the end of an audit, auditors may point out some nonconformities. You're usually required to address the issue within the month and show all the steps that you have taken to address the issue. Icicle allows you to streamline this corrective action process in one place, so you don't need to worry about follow-ups. Again, from the home page here, just click on Incidents and select the incident that you want to check out. In this case here, we'll do the metal detection test template. Just click in there, and you will be able to see everything in here. Process, metal detection, description of the incident. So during the audit, metal detector was working on 80% accurate rate for identifying testing standards. So that's not good. Down here, you have corrective action, stop line, whole product, repair detector. You can assign any corrective action that you have set up and assign it to a person for him to be responsible. In his case here, Jane Doe. And the incident cause here as well. For example, here, machine battery low. So preventive measures. This makes everything pretty simple, from follow-ups to corrective actions, allow you to demonstrate that you have solved the issue, and the auditors will be able to see the full report here. And that's the end of the video. If you would like to learn more about Icicle and how we can help your facility, feel free to contact us and we'll be in touch.